Are you best saltwater fishing rods? Saltwater fishing rods are essential tools for anglers looking to tackle the challenges of fishing in corrosive and demanding marine environments. Choosing the right rod can significantly impact your success and enjoyment, whether you're targeting striped bass or bluefin tuna. In this review, we analyzed 5 saltwater product. St. Croy Rod's Triumph Spinning Rod. The St. Croy Triumph Spinning Rod is a mid-range option that combines affordability with premium features. Constructed with SCII carbon fiber, this rod boasts impressive sensitivity and strength while maintaining a lightweight profile. The aluminum oxide guides and premium cork handle further enhance comfort and performance. At 5'6" in length, it's designed for ultra-light fishing techniques, making it ideal for targeting smaller saltwater species. Backed by a 5-year warranty, it reflects St. Croy's commitment to quality. However, its shorter length may limit versatility for larger fish or longer casting distances. During testing, the Triumph excelled in detecting subtle bites thanks to its product new St. Croy Rod's Premier Spinning Rod. The St. Croy Premier Spinning Rod represents the premium end of this comparison, offering unparalleled durability and performance. Built with SCII carbon construction and fortified resin, this rod is designed to withstand extreme conditions and handle larger saltwater species. The Fuji DPS reel seat and Keegan Master Hand 3D guides ensure precision and reliability, while the cork handle adds a touch of comfort and elegance. At 6'6" in length, it provides a balanced combination of casting distance and control, making it suitable for a wide range of fishing techniques. In testing, the Premier Spinning Rod delivered exceptional casting accuracy and product number. Ugly Stick Big Water Spinning Reel. The Ugly Stick Big Water combo is a budget-friendly option that combines a durable rod with a reliable spinning reel. Featuring Ugly Tech construction and the signature Ugly Stick clear tip, this rod is built to handle tough saltwater conditions. The inclusion of a Fuji reel seat and durable rubber gimbal adds to its robustness. At 6.5 feet in length, it's suitable for medium power applications, making it a versatile choice for various saltwater species. The combo package offers excellent value for money, especially for beginners or casual anglers. In practice, the Big Water combo proved to be a reliable workhorse, capable of handling heavier lines and larger fish. Its durability was a standout feature. Product number 4. Cast King Recon Saltwater Fishing Rod. The Cast King Recon Saltwater Combo is a high-performance option designed for serious saltwater anglers. Its graphite blank construction and stainless steel guides with zirconia rings ensure durability and smooth line flow. The reel features a powerful drag system with up to 40 pounds of resistance, making it capable of handling larger saltwater species. The EVA handle and uplock reel seat provide comfort and stability during intense fishing sessions. At 7 feet, this rod offers excellent casting distance and versatility. During testing, the Cast King Recon impressed with its ability to handle heavy loads and maintain smooth performance under pressure. The reel's drag system. Product number. Fishing pole. The Luyancy fishing pole combo is the most affordable option in this comparison, offering a complete kit for saltwater and freshwater fishing. The set includes 2 carbon fiber telescopic rods, 2 spinning reels, fishing lines, lures, and a carrier bag, making it ideal for beginners or travelers. The collapsible rods are lightweight and easy to store, while the included lures cover a wide range of fishing techniques. Despite its low price, the kit provides decent performance for casual fishing adventures. In testing, the Luyancy combo delivered satisfactory results for light to medium fishing. The telescopic rods were convenient for travel, though they lacked the durability and sensitivity of more expensive models. The reel's performance